a huge PR unboxing. I've been saving these packages all month long. Let's go. Ooh. Game or something, I don't know. Let's unbox. Okay, first up, we have a package I'm very excited about because I have read the label. But I'm also excited about my new unboxing scissors, guys. I ordered these off Amazon. Yes, there is such a thing as unboxing scissors. Look at this. They're locked right now. So this is like a cutter. And when you move them, they become scissors. I take these unboxing videos very seriously. And these are actually really good. No struggle. Ta-ta-da-da! Okay, how do I get this out? I'm gonna make it ulta first. Unboxing struggles, guys. Okay, almost there, almost there, almost there. Ta-da! Can you guess what's in here? I am so excited because I know these are my planning supplies for the year from my favorite, Alicia Souza. Thank you. Okay, so we're gonna open everything. We have the calendar, we have the planner, obviously, which is my annual planner. I have survived Jan without this. I was dying to open the package and use it, but then I was like, no, we'll do a proper unboxing. So that's what we're doing, guys. I just love her packaging and everything. Like, look at this. Like, you can use this box to store stuff. Like, I always store other like stationery stuff, my supplies in it. Okay, this is my favorite part. Okay, so there's obviously the little pocket planner. Stickers. She has the most incredible stickers. And look at that. Love the colors. It's yellow and blue. And I just love everything about this planner. I've been using it for a few years now and yeah, love it. Thank you. Up next, we have something from Papa Don't Preach. My favorite Shubhika has sent me a package. Again, something I'm always excited about. What do we have here? Let's open the little box first. Again, love her packaging. She always does the most amazing things. This is a candle. Oh my God, like just look at how beautiful this is, okay? Wow. Also smells divine. Okay, so this is the home stuff, but she's also just launched her fine jewelry collection, which is pretty amazing. And what do we have here? I think these are cushion covers. Yeah, oh my God, this is so cool. I'm gonna save these for the studio. I think this is a table runner. Yeah, and you can use it both ways. Like, look at this, there's this side and this side. How cool is that? This is so nice, and they're mats. This with this would look great. Thanks, Shubix. Then we have something from Laneige, obviously. What do we have here? Also, I'm very impressed by these unboxing scissors, guys. Everything has opened so easily. Other than my box opening skills, which are my own poor skills, but... Okay, what do we have here? We have their finish powder, which is really good. I have tried this, and this is a Smoothie makeup serum. I have not tried this, but I can't wait to try this one as well. Thank you, guys. What is this? We have some Stranger Things merch, okay? I will warn you, Zain has already called dibs on this. He saw it in my pile of things and was like, ah, I want that. I was like, okay, when I do the unboxing video, it's yours. We have a hoodie, and I think this is the collection that John Jacobs has done with Stranger Things. They usually do these collabs, which are pretty cool. So what do we have here? Shades, I think. Let's see. These are pretty cool. Like, I quite like them. You can give him the sweatshirt and keep the shades. This is the cool oversized sweatshirt. Actually, I quite like it, but I will give it to my nephew because I'm a good aunt. But thanks, guys. Up next, we have this from Aaina. Love the packaging. Ooh, that was nice. What do we have here? There's a little scrunchie, which is always cute. And ooh, this is a night suit. Okay, how cute is that? There's like the shirt and then there are like shorts. This is so cute, guys. Oh, there's also little earrings. So there's a scrunchie, some earrings, and this. Thank you, guys. Up next, we have this little guy. This one is from Ordinary. I'm gonna just cut it, I think, because it'll be easier. And I'm also just showing off my new scissors, guys. Okay, what do we have here? Pat it, don't pop it. Oh my god, I could have used this last week. So this is their powder to cream concentrate. It's for blemishes and, you know, acne and pimples and stuff. And apparently it shows results in 1 hour. Yeah, I saw this on social media and I was like, what? Stop it. I need to try this. So yeah, I was dying to try this and I did have some acne last week, but I didn't know it was in my PR package. But next pimple, watch out. What do we have here? I missed my unboxings. Like, I feel like this is like Christmas morning. Ooh, some KIRO Beauty. Okay, so this is from Face Shop. You guys saw how obsessed I was with the face wash that I got from America. Okay, so they've sent me 2 products. We have the Vitamin C lip mask and cream, which look pretty exciting. But what I'm most excited about is, guys, stop it. It's a little bag charm. How cute is this? Thank you, guys. I promise I will use all 3. Next big guy is from Crocs and Coca-Cola. This looks interesting. Oh my god, I love these. Like, look at this. Like, I feel like brands collaborating like this is just really cool. I really like when, you know, you have an F&B brand that collaborates with a fashion brand and they create something unique and different. I already feel like Zayn is going to steal these from me, but I'm going to try and wear them first and keep them for a bit at least. But these are really cool. Thanks, guys. What's in here? What is this? Oh yes, this is a new restaurant club that's open that you can only access if you're a member, and this is the metal card. I wish you could feel the weight on this because it's quite cool. Like, I can't wait to visit, guys. Like, this is quite cool and mysterious. There's literally nothing. It just says the name, Fielia, and it says the legacy member. That's it. Can't wait to visit. Up next, we have another big bad boy. These bigger packages are just so satisfying to open. Ooh, this is from Samantha and Harshita. So Samantha actually did a collab with them, and I think this is from her collection, which is pretty cool. So there's a tote, there's a cap, nice like brown biker shorts, and I think this is a matching top or sports bra. I don't have anything in this color, so I'm quite excited. I also have their tights from earlier, like in a sports bra like this in black, which I've been wearing a lot. So this is the set, and also got a matching cap and tote. Thanks, guys. Then we have one of my favorite KIRO Beauty brands, Dr. Jart. You guys know how much I love them and their products. So what have we got here? We have some really cute yellow socks and some products that I love. There's the toner and there's the moisturizer. This is really light, works on most skin types. So you guys have seen me use their products a lot. I have used these 2 earlier, love them. All their products actually work really well for me. I'm a KIRO Beauty girly and I'm obsessed with Dr. Jart. What do we have here? Okay, a perfume, I think. Juice or Dare, yes. And we have a solid perfume stick in 2 different fragrances. And we have one of these from Plum BodyLovin. Thanks, guys. Last but not the least is this guy. What do we have? What do we have? What do we have? It feels like a game or something. I don't know. Oh, KIRO. Again, more beauty. I absolutely love their packaging. Like, look at the black and white. It's just so clean and classic. Okay, so they have this stack, which is really cool, okay? So it comes with like multiple different lip things you can play around with, which I really like, because if you're traveling, especially, you can just carry one, right? And you've got so many different colors and options to play around with. And then we also have these, which are 3-in-1s. Wow, there's an eyeshadow, there's a mascara, and there's an eyeliner. How crazy is that, guys? Okay, so this one is the mascara. I'm gonna show you one of them just to show you, which is pretty cool. This one is the liquid liner, which I don't think I will ever be able to use because, you know, my liner applying skills. And then this one is the eyeshadow. Like, how amazing is that? Like, imagine if you're on a trip, you take these two and you're done. You don't really need to take anything else. Like, how cool is that? This is really cool, very clever, very functional. Love it. Those were all the packages I had to open this month, and staying true to my 26 for 2026, I'm going to do more giveaways. So I'm going to try and do a giveaway with each PR unboxing, where I'm going to make a surprise box for you guys with maybe a bunch of things from the previous PR unboxing or other stuff that gets sent to me. And pick maybe 2 winners, pick maybe 1 winner. I don't know. I'm going to put all the details in the description, and you can enter and you can win. But remember one thing, just put your email address or your Insta handle in the comment, because otherwise it's impossible to reach you guys, because YouTube doesn't have DMs and stuff and then people don't reply. And the giveaways go on for months, which is why I kind of stopped doing a lot of giveaways. Follow all the instructions, check the description. Also, everything will be linked. Everything you saw in today's video will either be linked here in the video or in the description. I'm gonna put the giveaway details there and some of you will win something. So guys, those were all the packages I had to open this month. Thank you to everyone that sent me stuff and spoiled me. And for you guys, I'm spoiling you. Enter the giveaway. See you guys.